In today's demonstration in Visual Script for Jira, we're going to show two scripts that are part of an ITSM solution that really work well together. These are our problem timeline and our incident timeline. As you can see in the problem timeline, everything starts when the first incident is reported. It puts it on a timeline, and then when the problem is created, because we discovered there is a problem, we're going to show that on the timeline, and we're going to link all of the related incidents to this problem. If you want to see all of the incidents, you can click this expanded view and it will show you a breakdown of all of the incidents that are directly linked and related to the problem. In the problem issue type, there are fields for root cause and workaround. When values are entered in those fields, meaning the root cause is identified and the workaround is found, those items will be placed on the timeline as well. Then the next step would be a change request is created. So once the change request is created and it is linked to the problem, this will show on the timeline. Next, when the development team creates a story in order to meet the approved change, that story will show up on the timeline as well. And then you'll see the story when it's released and the problem when it's resolved. It gives you a comprehensive breakdown from when the first incident is reported all the way until the problem is fixed. So the incident timeline works really well along with it because you can enter a start and an end date and show all of the incidents that were reported. As you can see from this expanded view, we have a list of incidents here. What this shows very nicely is where do those reside on a timeline itself. So together, these reports will show the breakdown from the first incident all the way through problem resolution, as well as the timeline of all of those incidents as they were related to the problem. That concludes the demonstration of the problem timeline and the incident timeline in Visual Script for Jira.